Good morning, gurus, and welcome to another sunrise. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Account is pumping close to new all-time high up at the 560 range. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. To the technicals, MCRT was up 3% and the day before 20%. Huge move. IDEX 2%, Tesla 2%, Google 2%, Intel 1.9, Solana 1.7, Microsoft 1.5, Bitcoin 1.3. We had a big bounce on tech stocks, which is beautiful. Bitcoin on the longer term time frame, volume is increasing. First thing I check, volume. Is volume increasing? Volume predicts price. If volume was going like this, I would be getting out. But volume is getting bigger. Volume predicts price. Second thing I look at, stochastic. You get all these in the Crypto Mastercourse number 2 in the description. Whenever the stochastic is below the dotted line, whenever this line comes below the dotted line, it's time to sell. Whenever this line is going up above the dotted line, or not yet above it, best is time to buy it down here, for example here. And that would have been the best time to buy when the stochastic was oversold. You can see here, when the stochastic was oversold here, it was a great time to be buying Bitcoin. So whenever the stochastic is oversold, time to be buying. Whenever the stochastic is overbought, like it was here, time to be selling. And now you can see the stochastic reset and turning back up very strongly. So good sign for us. Let's go closer. Daily time frame. We're in this channel on Bitcoin. And we're still in the second to third impulse wave, which my target of 61k. Now we're at the top of this channel. You can see that Bitcoin's been channeling between here. Now I can adjust this channel actually, because now we're at the top. I can slightly adjust it. Actually, I should leave it like this because it perfectly hit the top of the channel and found resistance at my 49k target area. I think we get a bit of a pullback here, but it doesn't look like Bitcoin is going to be dropping. There's major support here at 46. I think that's where I'd open the trade. This is where I would open the trade. Opening at 46,101, stop loss 45,817. So the gray line is where the trade opens. That's always where my trades open on Bybit. So 46,101. The red line is the stop loss, 45,817. First target 49,000, second target 61,000. Risk to reward is 53 times, risking $283 to make $15,000 without leverage, with 10x leverage, $150,000 profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Again, 46,101 is where it opens. My Bitcoin trades we're going to jump into underneath the video. Go down below. One is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 US bonus if you use this link. This one, partner.bybit.com/b/buyalts. 2, take the Crypto Mastercourse. Using this one, you get in-depth knowledge about how to do technical analysis, how to trade Bitcoin long, short, and also all the indicator bots. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. My Bitcoin trade is $71,899 in the profits. $71,899. Congratulations, everyone. 47,730. The funding fee is still low, 0.01. 47,730, almost high after the ETF. $71,885 in this trade, plus I've already taken $11,500. So this trade is $84,000 of profits on this trade. In this account, $565,000, reaching new all-time, coming close to new all-time high. I remember that was 558 all-time high, 551. Here was 555. Here was 559. So now we're at 565. But I remember for a few seconds we're at 590. This account is up from $150,000, and in the last week it's up from 502,000 to 565,000. So I made $63,000 this week, which is beautiful on this account, on these trades. In this account, I'm holding Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 95,000, up 1.3%. Ethereum USDT 71,000. Sorry, USDT 71,000. Doge 58,000. MCRT 54,000, up 4%. FXS 54,000 even. Uniswap 47,000 even. Pocket 32,000, a little bit down today. WorldCoin 11,000, 12,000, up a little bit. Sui up a little, down a little bit. That's what I'm holding in this account. In my Bitcoin trade, $71,874 in the profits. Let's quickly go into Ethereum. And again, my Bitcoin trade that I set now, 46,101 would be the open on a bit of a pullback. There is, let's go closer for a riskier trade. Yeah, it's on the daily support, underneath the daily support, this trade. So this is the bigger, safer trade, 46,101, stop loss 45,817. This is the riskier trade that actually opened yesterday. If this is correct, it opened. Let me try and modify it, to see. This trade opened yesterday, everyone. It came down, activated the trade. So yesterday I set a riskier trade. It came down, activated the risky trade at 46,976, bounced. Look, it came down, activated the trade, bounced, and then moved up to 48,000. So congratulations, anyone that took this trade. You're already massively in profits from yesterday's video. Came close to hitting the stop loss, but already huge profits. Congratulations. Where I would open the riskier trade, again, same position for riskier trade on the daily support. 46975, stop loss 46763, and take profit. But that's a clear double top, everyone. So I do think we come down to 46101. It looks like a clear double top here on Bitcoin, right? You've got a one top, pull back, double top. So we've got a double top on Bitcoin. So I expect we come down to 46,000 off this resistance. Let's quickly go into Ethereum. And in the next video, in 12 hours, I'll do Tesla. Ethereum bull flagging, no pullback. No pullback to the lower underneath the channel either. You can see we're clearly at the top of this channel. Now, does it break through, or do we get rejected and both Bitcoin and Ethereum come down to the bottom of the channel is the question. I would keep this Ethereum chain till we get a confirmation. 2281, stop loss 2264, take profit 2884, 35 risk to reward ratio. Those are my updates on the market. Again, my Bitcoin trade, $71,700 in the profits. This account, $564,953, $564,941. I've got 82,900 followers. Make sure my name is correct. Jamayes, James Crypto Guru, the blue check mark. You can see people calling me Nostradamus. A study in America says that Americans could have saved $74 billion in 2022 by using crypto as payment option listed instead of Visa and MasterCard. That's almost $600 per household. And yet the American government, Elizabeth Warren, and these freaking dinosaurs are trying to keep us back in the dark ages and stop the development of the car, or stop the development of electricity, or stop the development of the internet, or block the internet from coming into the USA. That's what they're literally doing with crypto, blocking something as revolutionary as the internet. But thank God for crypto, the technology can't be blocked, which is beautiful. So learn about Bitcoin, study it, understand it, buy it. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Congratulations, all of you, that I made so many of you rich. And if any of you are doubting this, I want to show you how many people I've made rich. This guy, he made 80,000 in our Telegram, 23,000, 4,000. Roy, congratulations, Crypto Guru Chat. This guy in the Crypto Guru Chat made 116,000 on Ethereum. This guy in the Crypto Guru Chat, 1.4 million. This guy, where else we got? This guy made $507,000 on Bitcoin, $25,000 on Ethereum. This guy made $800 on 1,000 Luna C. I made almost $1,000 with $76 in our Telegram. James, because of your help, I have retired and get to spend all my time with my kids. My kids' lives have been changed from your help. Bought your course a few months back and have great entry points. Ever took some profits and bought a new Harley Davidson Road King. It's a wonderful thing to have extra digits in hand for such little treats. Beautiful. My 2K is now 8K. My portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of James and his expertise. James is absolute truth, and taking his master course is a must. I made $1 million in the past 5 months. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. Thank you, James. Your course is amazing. I'm buying a villa in Punta Cana, made $500,000 in profit in Neo. And again, to understand all of this, underneath the video, go down below. One is the exchange. It's like 1, 2, 3 steps. One is the exchange to trade. Bybit gives you the best bonuses. 2 is the courses. Crypto Master Course teaches you in-depth crypto technical analysis, 12 hours of courses. 3, join us in the Telegram, 9,000 traders altogether. Thank you for watching, everyone. Congratulations. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.